So here are my times table tracks, and these were made just by putting a table into Word and then entering the digits and then printing them out, and my TA photocopied them onto different coloured pieces of cards and then kindly laminated them for me. So there's three different sorts here. This is the 3 times table here. This one's higher up, this is the 9 times table, and this final one is the squared numbers, right, they're up to 10 times 10 there. So this can be used at any level, and of course you could have the squared numbers higher up or cubed numbers or anything like that. So this is how it's used. I'm just going to get rid of those, so I'm just left with one here. Now the idea of this is that the children come in the morning and they point at the numbers and say the numbers while counting also on their hand. So this would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 27, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now, the reason we have the counts on our hands as well is to relate to the times table fact. So 3 is just get my hand in, is 1 times 3. 6 is 2 times 3. 9, 3 times 3. 12, 4 times 3, so forth and so on. So I'm going to take this hand out the shot now, but just remember that it'll always be sort of like being used in that situation. So once the children have gone through 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, then what they do, they take counters and they cover up the ones that they're confident with. So they might be confident with 3 and 12, and normally 30 goes as well. And then the children can redo it, remembering the pattern. So they go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And then they can put more counters on, so forth and so on. Now, it has an advantage that if they go 3, 6, 9, or I can't remember, they can just have a quick look to see that it's 12 and then hold it again to remind them. And the idea is that the children would continue to do this until they've got all the counters covered, all the numbers covered, but can still say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so forth and so on, using their hands as well. And this of course helps them with division facts, in the sense that if it was 15 divided by 3, then they would go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and know that it's 5, so forth and so on. The other way that you can use these of course is to cover them all up and then to reveal them one at a time, and then to get the children to guess what the card is underneath. Okay, so this I used to use as a soda, and it used to be just on the children's table at the beginning of the lesson, and they would come in and just get on with this and practice it. So once you've taught them the concept, then that's it, they can carry on and do it. So hopefully that's been helpful for you, and enjoy using Wilson's times tables tracks.